In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign your own documents in DocuSign. We'll walk through the full process together, from opening your account all the way to sending the signed document, so you can follow along step by step. First, head over to your DocuSign dashboard and make sure you're logged in. This is the main home screen where you can see your recent activity and different options for sending and signing documents. If you don't see the dashboard right away, check that you're on the correct account and that you've completed any sign-in or verification steps. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option that says Sign a Document. Click on that. This tells DocuSign that you want to sign something yourself, rather than sending it out for someone else to sign. Next, you'll be prompted to upload the file you want to sign. Click on Upload. A file browser window will open. From here, click on Desktop, or navigate to wherever your PDF is stored on your computer. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions. Then select the PDF you want to sign and confirm your selection so it uploads into DocuSign. After the file has uploaded, you'll be taken to a screen where you can prepare the document. Click on Sign to move into the signing view. Now you'll see your PDF in the main area, and on the left-hand side there will be a panel with different fields you can add. In that left-hand column, find the signature field. Click on it and drag it onto the document, placing it exactly where you want your signature to appear. If the document has a designated signature line, drop it right on top of that line for a clean, professional look. Once the signature field is on the page, you can adjust its ease. Click on the signature and drag the corners in or out to resize it so it fits nicely in the space provided. When you're happy with the placement and size of your signature, click on Finish. This completes the signing step and moves you to the sending screen. Now you'll choose who receives the signed document. Click into the email field and add the recipient's address. If you're just signing for your own records, you can simply send it to your own email. Next, click into the subject field and type a clear subject line so it's easy to recognize in your inbox. Finally, click on Send. DocuSign will process everything and deliver the signed PDF to the email address you entered, ready for download, sharing, or record keeping.